here working out. I got my waist trainer on. But yeah, me and Rocco out here. We're going to spend majority of our day here today, being in nature, taking in the fresh air, the sun. It's so good for you. And I got water, everything too. Like, we're gonna be okay. I live like not less than a minute over. Yeah, we're about to go back walking, do some training with him today. Do a little bit of training. These shoes are so comfortable. Adidas is so comfortable. But you guys, it's a beautiful day. Nobody out here. I like when it's peace and quiet and not so crowded. I love people just sometimes. A park, I like this quiet park walk. I'm out of breath, y'all. I need to work out more. Me and Rocco both. Me and him both be in the house, eating and sleeping, which is not good. So I decided to get up today, get some of this sun. I love the sun, y'all. I do. Yeah. God is so good, and I thank God for all of this. That's why I want to spend all of my days on earth enjoying it. And I did my cardio for today. I'm about to chill in here, y'all. A little bit. I like to take us. I'll be stopping in shade for him. Life has been lifing, but make the most of it. Make the best of it. For sure. So like anxiety, just things that sometimes we have me uneasy. I work out. I will work out. But working out is a stress relief though. It really is. It's a stress relief. But I don't like complaining about the heat because I love it. I'd rather be hot than cold. You can put me in the heat, I'm fine. But if I'm cold, I'm irritated. Like, I need to have so many layers on, but in the sun I could just right now cool off like this, and it's just peaceful. And we got water too, some ice cold water. That's good. I might get us some popsicles or something. You want a pup cup? I'll get him a pup cup. My top lip probably sweating, y'all. It sweat a lot. Don't mind that, I'm still cute. But I want to start traveling, you guys. I'm going to start traveling once my car get right. I'm going to do a lot of traveling for you guys. Me and Rocco both. I love to travel. But my channel is all about that. First and foremost, God. We love God on this channel. We serve God. We worship Him. We are all of love on this channel. And then I have like the health, just lifestyle, everyday life. But we big on health, definitely. So I want to always promote working out, taking care of yourself, being active, proactive, never lazy. You have to get up and go to work. Not literal work, but if you gotta go to literal work, go to work too. But you gotta get out here and just make the most of every day. Whether it's sitting at the park or going to the movies, a solo dinner, a nail trip, a spa day, just little things like that, I think plays a big part in just every day, like making the most of it. And then you get to feel good, your day is good. I'm all that for that. The vibes, the good vibes. It's so peaceful. And I'm not even high. And he's cooling down. I'm gonna show y'all some more workouts. Jumping jacks, squats, jump squats, lunges, all that good stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. I love y'all. Thanks for watching.